In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CNAME record in Cloudflare. A CNAME record is simply an alias. It lets one host name point to another host name. For example, you might want your visitors to reach your app at a friendly subdomain like www or app, while the actual hosting lives at a different address provided by your service. Adding a CNAME is the clean, reliable way to do that, and it only takes a moment in Cloudflare. Start by opening your Cloudflare account in your browser and signing in. When you land on the dashboard, you'll see a list of the domains you manage. Click the domain where you want to add the record. This takes you into that domain's settings. Next, go to the DNS section. This is where all of your DNS records live and where you'll create the new one. You'll see your current records listed and a button to add a new entry. Click Add Record to create a fresh DNS record for this domain. In the form that appears, look for the type field and change it to CNAME. That tells Cloudflare you're creating an alias from one host name to another. Now complete the two key fields. In the name field, enter the subdomain you want to point, like www or app. Just the label is needed here, not the full domain. In the target field, paste the host name you're pointing to exactly as your provider gave it to you. A CNAME always points to another host name, not an IP address. Before saving, take a quick moment to proofread. Make sure there are no typos, extra spaces, or missing dots in the target. The name should be unique. You can't have two different records with the same name. If you see any warnings, review the fields to confirm they match your intended setup. If you're unsure about any optional settings shown, the default values are generally safe to keep unless your service provider has given specific instructions. When everything looks correct, click Save. You'll be returned to the DNS list and your new CNAME will appear there. Changes can take a few minutes to propagate across the internet, so give it a little time before testing. Remember, the root of your domain, also called the apex, typically uses an A or A record rather than a CNAME, so reserve CNAMEs for subdomains like www, login, or CDN. That's all there is to it. You opened your Cloudflare account, selected your domain, went to DNS, added a record, chose CNAME, entered the name and target, and saved. With that, your subdomain is now cleanly pointing where it needs to go.